Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the continuation video of arrays in Java. Already I have explained end to end part 1, part 2. This is a part 3 guys. So in this video I am going to explain what all those static methods we have in our arrays class. So I will explain along with our coding also. So how this method we are going to implement in our Java code guys. And guys, the who is coming first time in our channel, so guys please subscribe and share among your friend circle as well. So guys, without any further delay, we'll start our what array method. Right guys? So I see. So static method, right? Static method. Okay, this is our today discussion. Okay, what all the static method? Not completely I will explain every methods, but some of the method I am going to explain with code base also. Guys. So let's see. First, I will explain what is toString method in arrays class. Guys. So first, what is toString? ToString method we have in array class. Guys, then what is ArrayList? Guys, what is ArrayList method? Guys, then what is deep toString? Deep toString. Guys, then some code guy I will explain. So what is length property? Length property in arrays class. Guys, then I will explain. Then I will explain how we are going to reverse an array. Guy. How we can what reverse array elements. How we can reverse array elements. Right? Guys, then I will explain one more example how we can copy how we copy all elements from one array to other array. Okay, so this complete thing I am going to explain in this video guys. So first I have written all these things. So what is toString method, what is ArrayList, and what is deep toString, and what is length property in arrays class, then how we can reverse array elements, then how we copy all elements from one array to other array. Okay, please be concentrated. This is going to interesting this video guys. So without any further delay, I will start our ID. Right? Guys, see in this our package I am going to create one class. Okay, that is guys arrays static method test. Okay, a static method test guys. So guys, first I will explain what is toString method in our arrays class. Right? Guys, please be concentrated, please be focused. This video is going to very interesting guys. Okay, because you know so many things, but how this concept we are going to use frequently in our Java code. So guys, see, if you have, if you're going to use toString method, right? So definitely you should have first a string array, right? Yes or no? So guys, see, that's why I'm going to get first a string array here. A string arr input equals to, I'm going to add some string get C Java, then mine, then get take key, then is my channel, right? Or a string what we have in a string array, right? Correct? I have created one what a string array. In that I have kept all this what data, correct? So Java mine take key is my channel, correct? So let's see, if you want to create in such a way, so I have created a string array, so right, a string array input. If you are creating array object in this way, so means we no need to initialize the object as index base, right? Because if you're going to get suppose a string array input, then you a string input, right? That means what, you need to give the size, right? Then you're going to initialize the object. But this is a static way to create the guy a string array, right? So let's see, if you want to print this all the data, right? Java mine take key is my channel, right? So guys, we have one method in our arrays class, guys, toString method, right? So if we can call this toString method, so directly we can print all the array string array data, right? So guys, see how I am going to write here. Please be concentrated. It's very simple, guys. So sys out we know very well, right? So in this, using toString method, right? toString method. Then guys, I can call here guys array, right? This is our class, right? Array. This available in our utility package, right? And also guys, all the method what we have in the array class is utility method, right? So guys, arrays dot, you can see guys, if you write here toString, you can see. So guys, these all are the overloaded method, right? These all are the overloaded method. You know very well guys, right? What is the overloaded method? The method name is same but different type of parameter. You can see guys. So all the method name toString. So method name is same but different types of argument we are going to pass here, right? Short, object, long, int, right? So as I know, I'm going to pass it boolean. So that means guys, you need to pass as per the variable where you are going to store a string array, right? So guys, see, if you're going to pass here array input, right? Then guys, you can see what the result is printing, guys. If you're going to call toString method, what we have in the arrays class, guys. So very simple, guys. You can see the result of this statement, guys. Using toString method, Java mine take key is my channel. It's coming around, guys. So guys, this is a method we can use frequently in our arrays class. Right, guys? This is the first example of toString method, guys. Then guys, we have second method, guys, or I can write here guys for understanding purpose. It is toString method, right? Guys, now I am going to explain what as list method, guys. As this method also we have in our array class only. So that's simple. I am going to copy this, guy. Okay, copy and pasting, guy, this place, right? Only guy, I am going to change here using guy as list method, right? As list method, right? And guy, I can show this thing how toString method we have in arrays class. So guys, see, if you're going to give here arrays dot as list, you can see. So guys, it expects parameter, means this array input if I'm going to print guys. So you can write here what array input. You know guys one thing here. So as this method means what? So this string array now it's behave as a list. Earlier it is a ARR input, a string array. If you are going to pass as a parameter as a list method, that means it's behaving now as a list. Okay? So I will run the application. You will see the result is coming as expected or not. As expected or not. Run as the application. Okay, you can see here. Using toString method. Using toString method is what? This response. And using ArrayList method is what? Same thing guys. Coming or not? So guys, now this is behaving as a list our response. Right guys? So this is two method. Generally we are going to use our print the what? Element of array. Okay? Guys, now third method which are not using frequently but some of the case we are using it. So that is what method name is guys deep to a string. Deep to a string. Deep to a string is a method guys. So guys see, if you want to use this method, that means you should have guys multi-dimension array. What guys? You should have multi-dimension array. So this deep to a string method we are using only for what? Multi-dimension guys. Only using for multi-dimension. So guys, for the purpose you should have first two-dimension array guys. So I am declaring here int mul array, multi-dimension array. And you need to give the dimension, right? So this is two dimension, right? Okay. Then equals to what? I'm going to create some element here, right? So as we suppose this is 10 and this is 20, right? And guys, in this I am going to pass what? 30 and 40, right? 30 and this I am going to pass 50 60, okay? 50 and 60 again, right? And now we need to close this thing, right? And giving it to, so this is the multi-array input, multi-dimension array input guys. Also you can add multi-dimension array input. Correct guys? Suppose guys, if you want to print this multi-dimensional array guys, this two-dimensional array, so how you are going to print? Guys, simply we can take this our print statement, correct? And use guys this place. So using guys what? Our deep to string method, right? Deep to string method, correct? So guys, I can show here we have that method in our arrays class guys. You can write here deep to string, correct guys? I have written, and guys this expect this our what? Input array guys, okay? Where we can hold our two-dimensional array, correct guys? Now we can run the application. We'll see the result is coming expected or not, correct guys? So run as Java application. You can see guys. So using deep to string method is what? 10 20 30 40 50 60 what we have in our this two dimension, correct guys? So guys, what we understood? So guys, these are the methods we can use frequently in our application in Java, right? So guys, one by one I will explain, not complete method I will explain in this video, but coming video I will also explain guys. So guys, these three things already I have explained what I mentioned in this to string method, what its purpose, why it needs as a list, and deep to string. Guys, now I am going to explain here what is length property in arrays class guy. What is length property in arrays class? With one example guy I will explain. Don't worry guy. So guys see, I will take input on runtime guy. So if I'm going to use this length property, how we can write the code for that guy? How we can use length property in our code guy? That thing is my main motto. Okay. So guys, so first I will take some input. Okay. Then I will print this input. Then I will find the length of respective what element what we have printed. Okay guys. So guys see, I am going to take one. I am going to create what int array guy. So int arr equals to what new int the size of this guy, suppose 5. Okay, simple. I have created one what integer array object. Okay, then guy I can take one scanner class, because due to scanner class the integer will give the input guy. Right, we can pick the input from the scanner class guy. So scanner sc equals to new scanner, then give a pass in our what input stream, right? So system dot going to import this thing, right? So again, after using this scanner class guy, we can give one print statement, right? We can give one. Okay, why I am writing in this way, so you can understand very simply guy. You can understand very confidently how the things is going on, right? So guys, sysout, right? Sysout, we can write some statement guy. Enter the element in array, right? We can write enter the element in array. Enter the elements. Okay. So guys, this is our print statement. Guys, see. Now you can concentrate very well. So guys, I can use here one for loop. Why? Because I am going to take input, then I am going to print this input, then we are going to find the length. Okay, so we will have more than one element in our array. Okay, so guys see, int I equals to guys 0, because our index of array will start from 0, right? Guys see, then I can guys print the array element, right? So guys, it will be less than our what size of the array, guys 5, right? Then I plus plus. Okay, this thing we can write, and we know very well, right? This is the way we are going to write. But guys, this place I am going to change something. Please be concentrated. So guys see, instead of this thing guys, instead of less than 5 guys, right? I can write guys, be concentrated. I can write guys whatever the our array variable name guys, where we are holding the element of array guys. That is guys arr, right? So guys arr I can write here I less than what arr dot length guys. You can see here guys, this is the property. This is the property in array guys. If you want to find the length, correct guys, then you can use what, where we have the holding that array. So we are holding the array in arr variable at that guy dot length. So it can what assume whatever the length of the array. Good guy. Then guy I can take what sc dot next int method. And guy that method will return the value, right? And we can store guy our arr of index I. Okay, this thing I hope you know very well, right? No need to explain, right? Yes, guys. Then we can write one print statement, right? What is the printed element, right? Printed array element is, right? So that I can write here printed array elements what in next loop, guys. So guys, this is the print statement what I am going to print. Okay. After that, again I will run one for loop. For that, I am going to print the element. This for loop is reading the value from the end user. Reading the value from the end user, but this for loop what I am going to create, that is get printing the element, guys. Just copy paste, guys. This place, guys, I am going to print the element. Yes or no? Guys, this thing no required as of now. Only I am going to write sys out, right? Sys out, and then guys, I am going to print this array of our index. Right? What the value we are going to store in that thing I am going to print here. Right, guys? Then I am going to write some space. Right? Yes. After that, guys, we can, if you want to find length of the print element, what the element we have printed, so what is the size of that what array, guys? So that we can write here what sys out and the statement get what array length is what array is array length is get what. So we have a method, right? Not method, get. So our arr dot length, right? Correct, guys? So with that we can what find out the length of our array, guys. So there one thing before running the application I will explain here. So there what is length? You can see here, guys, this place I have used length, this place I have used length, and this place I have used, guys, length, right? This is length, guys. But what is this, guys? What is this? So guys, length is a property of an array. Just keep in mind, guys, length is a property of an array which is most common, guys, which is most common used to find the length of an array in Java. This is a built-in property, guys. You don't confuse. This is built-in property of Java, guys. So array and built-in property of Java, guys, right? So guys, then length method is used to get for what? Guys, tell me one thing. So length method is used for what? Storing, not for array in Java, guys. So length method used for a string, guys. You know very well. You heard already, right? Length method. Length method is used for a string, not for array in Java, guys. Keep in mind. So length is a property here. This is not a method. The method what we have, that thing in what? A string class, right? Length method used for a string, not for guys array in Java. That thing keep in mind. Okay. Also one thing you need to know. So guys, just like for collection, guys, for collection, right, we are using get array list, right? In collection we have one implementation class array list. So if you want to find the size of the array list, right? If you want to find the size of the array list, we use what? Size method, right? We use size method. In same way, guys, if you are going to use arrays concept, so how many element we have, how many data we have, how the capacity of the array is. So guys, that capacity or size you can find with the help of length property. I hope you understood, guys. Correct, guys? So guys, that is our length property in our arrays class. So guys, I will run the application. We'll see result it's coming as expected or not, guys. Guys, see here. So first asking it, already I mentioned it, enter element in array. So guys, see, if I'm going to enter here 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then you can guys see here. So printed element is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. Length is 5. Coming yes or no? So whatever size we have defined, right? Corresponding length is coming or not? And length is 5. Yes or no? So guys, this is the printed element. You can see here. This is guys printed element. Okay. Printed element. And how we are going to take the input from the end user? That is guys this one. Correct guys? So guys, this is the complete explanation of length method, right? So not length method guys, length property. Don't confuse guys. Length is not a method here in arrays class. It's a property. But in a string class, length is a method. Correct guys? So guys, that is our what? This fourth part. What is length property in arrays class? Right? Guys, now I am going to explain how we can reverse array elements. How we can reverse array element guys. I can write here how we use what length property. Okay, this thing we have done, right? Now guys, this is our fourth part, right? This is our fourth part. I can write here, this is our fourth part, right? Same way what I explained in our notepad, okay? This is our third part, right? And guys, this is our second part. And guys, this is our first part, right? Now guys, I am going to explain part number 5. Part number 5. So what is guys? How we reverse, right? How we reverse array element, right? How we reverse array elements. Guys, please be concentrated. So guys, this program also I will take input from the end user. I will take input from the end user. Then I will print. Then I will reverse. So guys, 3 for loop I will take that. Okay. So you see, for the purpose I will take one what size variable. So int size, correct? I have taken one size variable, correct? Then guys, already we have guys what scanner, right? We know to use scanner class again. So I can use guys here what system, sorry, sysout. I can print guys what enter elements in array, right? Enter elements in array. So I can copy same line guys. System dot order println enter the elements in array guys. First see guys, if you want to reverse the array element, first you will have element in the array. This is the first point guys. You just keep in mind. If anybody asks you, hey, can you reverse the array element? So first you need to take the input, right? So that input you will take from the scanner class. Great. So let's see. Then guys, what we can do? So we can get, we have a method right, in our scanner class sc dot next. We are taking the input from the end user guys. So that's why we can call our sc dot next. Okay, that value after getting from the end user, we are holding in our size variable, right? We are holding in our size variable, right? Yes. So after holding the value in our size variable guys, what we can take guys? What is the next step? What is the next step guys? So guys, what will be the next step? Guys, tell me what will be the next step now. So after if you are going to what, get the request from the what, end user, right? Then guy, we can take what, one, we can create guy one integer array guy. See guy, int what, array input for reverse, right? Array input for reverse guy, array for reverse, right? Equals to new int, and guy, we need to pass the size in that what, parameter, right? So guy, size, correct? Yes, correct guy. I hope guy you understood, right? So first I have what, taken the request from the end user, and I hold this value in our size variable. Then I have created one integer array. That name of the integer array is what, array input for reverse, right? Correct guy. Then guy, you know what I can do? I can take one for loop, right? I can take one for loop guy. So guy, int I equals to 0, and guy our I less than size guy, right? I less than size, guy I plus plus. Guys, see, it's very simple if you will concentrate. Otherwise, it becomes complex guy. See, what I have done first, I have created one size variable. Then I have print a statement, enter the element in array. Then I have hold the value what we can get from the end user sc dot next int. Then guy, we have created one integer array, okay? Then guy, I have taken one for loop. In the for loop guy, I will take what, the input from the end user. So guys, see, this is our array variable name, correct? I equals to what, sc dot next, okay? Correct guy? I hope you understood that. Okay. This is the first loop where I can take in the request or input from the end user. Right. Guys, then we can write one statement. I can write one statement guy, same statement guy. What is guy? Printed array element each. So whatever the input we got from the end user, that thing I am going to print simply. Nothing we are doing here. Guys, see. After taking the request from the end user, I will take one for loop for printing the result guy. We'll take printing the result. Once we print result, then we'll do the reverse guy. So guys, same thing we'll copy and paste here guy. But what I can change here guy, I will change here this statement guy. So sys out I'm going to print guy with some space. Okay, so guys, with this we can print our what, array element what we have what, taken the user. Okay guys, then guys, now I'm going to write our reverse logic here. Now I'm going to write our reverse logic. So sys out and guys, in the statement we can write what, array reverse element each, reverse elements each. What, that thing we can write inside one for loop. Guys, please be concentrated. This is important. How we are going to write logic here guys. See, in this for loop guys, So first guy, our array will start guy from backward, right? Because we are going to reverse, right? So guy, this thing completely I can change it guy. So guy, our first value guy. So whatever size we have, right? So already we have stored size in our size variable guy. So int I equals to what? Size minus 1, because array index from 0 to n minus 1 guy, that guy is a start guy, int I equal to size minus 1, right guy? This is first. Then guy, I greater than equal to 0, yes or no? Our I value will be greater than equal to 0, and guy then it will decrement one by one, right? So I minus minus, right guy? So guy, this is our what condition for reversing the element, right? And guy, everything will be as it is, right guy? So guy, this thing I have done in front of you. So guy, now I will run the application, we'll see the result, right? See guy, if I'm going to guy print here, see guy, 1 minute. So I need to comment this first, okay? Now guy, I will run the application. So we don't have a system, this thing guy I can check, and I can now guy, I will run the application in front of you, see it. Okay, enter elements in array guy. First I am going to enter guy. Suppose if you enter 10 elements, right? I can write here because see, it will take a runtime. It will take a runtime. Whatever size you are going to enter, that size will be get reverse. Okay, whatever the size you are going to provide after running the application, that element will first get insert, then it will print, then it will reverse. Right guys? See guys, I am writing at 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then guy 10. See, then guy I'm going to enter. See, guy. So you can see here response here. So guy, first I have entered 10 elements, right? I mentioned it. Enter elements in array 10 elements. I've entered 1 to 10, right? Then guy you can see first guy it printed it. I mentioned here, right? So it printed array elements each, right? Printed array elements each guy. See, printed array elements each. So it first it printed all the elements what we have inserted, what we have given the in the request, right? Guys see, then guy array reverse element each. Guys see, this is the logic. What array reverse element each. So at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys coming or not? Guys is coming or not? So I see this is a custom logic. This is a custom logic how it can reverse the array element. How it reverse the array element guy. So this thing guy you need to understand. How, because this all things guy I am going to array only. Yes or no? I have used array only. So in array, if you want to reverse, so how you can reverse with our for loop. Right guy? We have one method also guy, reverse method. So in single you can reverse, but sometimes the interviewer wants to know how you are going to write the code without built-in method guy, without using built-in method. So guys, this is the way you can write our code guy. So guys, that is our question number 5. How we can reverse array elements. Okay. Then last guy, how we copy all elements from one array to other array. Okay. This is also one important what question guy in the interview room related to the array guy. So guys, this thing now I'm going to explain. Okay. This is get 5. Then I'm going to add 6. What the 6 get? Directly I can copy and paste. How we copy all elements from one array to other array get. So let's see. Please be concentrated. Okay. This is also an important question only. Okay. Okay. Already I've told you, right? So guys, see, if you want to copy one array to other array, so guys, first type should be same. You should have guys array 1 and array 2. Yes or no? Just like I suppose if you have first array, if you will have guys first array, just example I am telling it. Suppose this is first array, correct? First array, first AR equals to guys suppose 1, 2, 3 or 4, correct? Guys, see, this is guys first array, correct? And guys, suppose if you have second array, second AR1, correct? Equals to what guys? Then guys 1, 2, 4. So guys, how this element will copy guys? So first you will have the type of the array. Suppose this is an integer array, right? Suppose this is integer array, and suppose this will be float array. It can't possible guys. So both the array types should be same guys. Both the array types should be same. Right? Both the array types should be same. This is first condition. Then second condition guys, size will also same guys. Size will also same or more. Size will be guys also same. It may be 3 or guys it may be more than 3. Suppose if it will be less than 3, then guys it can't copy. It can't copy guys. Why guys? I am giving one simple example. Suppose if you have guys, see, in real time example games explaining one thing here. Suppose guys, if you have water of 10 liters, if you have 10 liters water bottles, right? If you have 10 liters water, right? And if you copy, if you have same water need to give in other bucket. If you have same water need to give in other bucket guy. So how is possible? It may be same bucket guy, same capacity of bucket, or it may be more than 10 liters. Then you can what? Exchange the water, right? Yes or no? I hope understood. If you have 10 liters of water and if you want to exchange this water some other bottles, other bucket, then how you can exchange? So you will have 2 bucket with same size, right? Or it will more than this capacity. Correct guys? The same way also guys, if you want to copy one array to other array, so your capacity should be same, means 3 capacity, or guys more than 3 also. So you can hold this one array to other array. Otherwise guys, suppose if you have capacity of this array is 3 and second array is 2 capacity, so you can't hold guys this element, right? So that is 2 things keep in mind guys. Whenever if you are going to copy one array to other array, so type of the first thing and second thing is capacity. Both should be guys same or it will be more than this. So let's see, I am going to explain this code. So guys, see, first I will take one integer array guys, int a you can take equals to new int size of this array है suppose 5 and you can take one other array int b. If you want to what copy array a to array b, right? Equals to get new int of 5. Same thing I explained it. So you need to take same size of the array, then you can copy only, correct? It's not possible. Scanner class already we have explained here guys. So we are not taking external class, scanner class. So directly we can enter the value of first array, correct? So here you can write statement is out enter value in first array. First I'm going to enter the array, enter element in first array. Enter the element, enter the value in first array. Okay, enter the value in first array, right? Then guys I can take one for loop. If you're going to take the value from what end user, right? So how you can take? So for the purpose you need to take one for loop, okay? So we have for int I equals to 0, then I less than a dot length, yes or no, a dot length, then I plus plus. Yes. So guys, this is the first array, right? So we have first array is what? A of I equals to what? Sc dot next int next int. So we are taking first array input. With this we have taken first array input, right? So we can add some statement. So first array element is printed is out array elements, right? Yes. Then guys I will take what? One for loop for second array. Same thing guys, we'll take one more for loop for second array guys. This time guys, this time what? This is second array elements, yes or no? This is second array elements, right? But guys we want to print this guy, yes or no? We want to print this thing, right? So if you want to print this thing guy, you can take here what? This out a of I, then plus correct guys, you can give one space. Then guys I will take one more for loop where we can copy the element from array 1 to array 2. So for I equals to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus But guys, in this for loop guys, whatever the array element of A, we are going to copy in element of array element of B. So guys, for that purpose, we can write in this way, right? Equal to what? A of I. Right? We are going to print. So sys out B of I, and we can give some space. Right? Okay, this is the our program. So you can see, if you print, if you give guy 1 2 3 4, right, then guy it will save in our whatever the array A, it will copy into array B. Guy, see, I will run the application. First guy, I will copy this line. In front of you, will see the result. It's coming expected no. See guys, enter the value in first array. See, I'm going to array, suppose 5, right? So 1, see. So the first array element is guys 1 2 3 4. Second is guys 1 2 3 4. Right? Guys, tell me, is same or not? Guys, it's same or not? Whatever the our first array element, same is second or not? Guys, same or not? So by which guys, what we understood? Whatever the element we have, what? A, we copy in B guy. See guy, if I am going to give you a 4 guy, see, then guy, I will run the application, see what's coming guy. See, 5 1, you can see here now what action coming here. Array index auto bond exception. Guys, why you know this thing? Why you got add, you know this thing? Because guys, our array A size is 5, but array B size is only 4. You can see here. We can see here guys. I have given array A size is 5, but I have given array size B is 4 only. So guys, it can't hold. If you want to hold all the array element in array B, it should be same size or it be more than this guy. If guy, you can see here, I can put here 6. Okay, now I can run the application. We'll see result. It's coming what? See guys, if I'm going to writing here 5, okay, 1, coming or not? Guys, see, same thing coming or not? Okay, coming or not? One more time, I will run the application, guys. Don't worry. One more time, I will run the application. Please be concentrated. See, enter the value in array first. I'm going to enter guys 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 array 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 array 2. So both the array guy same element or not? If our size B is more than this size, so already I mentioned you, if you have 10 liters water bucket, and if you want to same 10 liters water can exchange some other bottles, right? So guys, so you will have other same 10 liters bucket, right? Or equal to 10 liters, or it may be more than 10 liter capacity, right? So you can directly exchange. But guys, suppose if you have only 9 liters bucket, okay, then you can't exchange the water, right? Because 1 liter water, what you can do? So that's why this is all the same case in array case, right? If you are going to copy one array to other array, so other array capacity should be same like the first array, or it will more than the first array. So then you should not get any what exception. But if your second array size is less than the first array, then guys you can get the exception. You can see here 4, right? Now you can run the application. See, if I'm going to integrate 1 then 3 then 4 then 5. Why? Because now our size of array B is less of the size of array A. That's why you are getting this exception. But if the array size is same, right, then guys you will not get any exception, right? Our program will execute what I expected only. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 coming expected or not. So whatever the element of array first, same is the array element in second. Okay, that is the our complete coding of array, right? So I have explained 3 methods first. So whether it is toString, arrays, deep toString, then I have explained these 3 example also, right? And I have ran this application in front of you, and already I have seen all the expected output coming or not. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe. So in next video guys, I will bring some other methods what we are going to use frequently in our arrays class guys. That's it guys. From this video, we'll meet in next video guys very soon. Bye bye.